We found the cave. What? Finally, the cave.
It looks good though.
At Extiandela.
Yo, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? So finally, we're here at Ololua. Ololulu. This person brought me here for the first time. Say your name, person.
Hi, Vanessa.
Say your name, person.
Close.
This place looks amazing.
And then caves, and then the waterfalls.
What about thieves?
Yeah.
Welcome to Ololua Nature Trail. What's down? To the waterfall.
To the waterfall?
We go to the waterfall.
Yeah, I think that was the right spot.
Yo, you're so used to these bushy things.
I'm feeling I feel like my legs hurt, like I've done leg day. Like
Yeah. Yo, me, I'm tired. What? Wait. We are going down this way. Are we coming up the same way?
I hope not. No, it's actually like a circuit.
No, but see, I've parked my car there. There's another way.
Yeah, you'll have to find out.
Wait. Sema bro. Waterfall iko wapi?
Ndio tunatafuta.
Ama ndio ina sound huko?
Si ndio sound. Mnaitafuta? Si hiyo, ni mkampe.
Ni gone. Cave iko wapi? Oh. I was expecting something like Victoria Falls. Hope I don't get disappointed. On Niagara Falls.
Let's see. No, this can be it. And I've seen photos. So you have to be extra careful.
Okay. This is it.
Drought.
Huh?
Drought.
What drought?
We're experiencing drought.
This
So
drought.
that's why it's not a lot of water. You go. You can't.
Kuna kitu ya kushika? Haya, you can actually can. You actually can. Na kuna njia nyingine ya kuja hiyo sasa juu. Kuna njia ya kupita juu.
Ndio tunaroka yani. Lakini
Kurudi lazima urudi hivi.
kama
Ni tricks bro.
Thank you.
Hakuna njia nyingine ya kwenda hivyo.
tunashika.
Alafu zikikatika.
Haiwezi katika.
Kungekuwa na njia ya kwenda hivyo lakini ningeenda.
And you bigger.
Naogopa. Nimekuwa kuku leo. I'm walking on my toes. Ati naonesha Google Maps. Let me see. Oh, what is that? What?
Guide, you know there are snakes.
Shut up! Don't say that. I have a phobia for those things. Don't mention them. Please. Can we run? I'm freaking out. Can you pull up the maps? We're lost. Let me look them up.
Here. We should have continued with that trail down there.
Where's there? Where are the caves?
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we actually proceeding that because we came up, yeah? And then the bamboo.
Okay, the waterfall. Then we came up.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
So.
This place is dry. Yo. It's really, really dry. Let's do this again.
You go like that?
See, of course, how do you want us to go? Damn.
No, it's so
Are they the same guys?
No, it's so
But there's no water. It is so dry, extremely dry.
Yeah, you can hear the river.
So I think we're on the right track.
Do that.
Okay, let's go up. Just follow the river. What is that?
What? What?
Let's go. We found the cave. What? Finally, the cave.
It looks good though.
But this thing is scary, yo.
Where would we want to enter though?
You sure? You sure this is the cave?
What else does it look like?
You guys have entered.
It smells like something nice.
Okay.
Oh, and I see cobwebs. Oh my god. I just still. It continues. It continues.
We get in.
Yeah, sure. Go fast.
Okay. Yo, come in.
I'm coming.
It's cold.
I'm scared.
Yo!
What's wrong?
That's a bat. We go.
No, I'm not going to inside that. What's that? But at least we found it.
Yeah.
And I'm sweating.
Ololua cave. Dracula lives somewhere here. Yeah. The famous caves of Ololua. The famous caves of Ololua. Yeah, let's go. Oh my goodness. And it's so dusty down there. Yo, so this is the bamboo trail. Yeah, this is where Tarzan and Mowgli live. Yeah. Down the trail, the bamboo trail. Down the bamboo trail. Yo, don't fall. Wait, are you gonna go back all this way up?
We have to go up. Yeah.
Me, I'm not going down then. Me, I'm so tired. See what? There's nothing. I'm sure there's nothing. You just want me to come down. Me, I'm not coming. What's there? What?
I can't tell you what it is. You can't see.
Are you kidding? Okay, let's do this. Damn, I hate this. There's nothing. Ah, Kwenda. Yo, I wanna write my name here. My name is not even visible. This is painful. Reps, Harriet and Sharon were here. 2016. Fran Lowe was here. 10th deck 2016. Dash, Irene. Extiandela. Ooh. Who else was here? 99. What? Someone was here. Saint G. 1999. What? Sam was here recently. This is, I don't know. During BKM. AKA Kaima. So this is really cool. Nyanga was here. Really cool. So guys, we're just done with Ololua Nature Trail. Yeah, craziest thing I've ever done. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching my Ololua Nature Trail. If you loved my vlog today, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to click here to subscribe. Yeah, here. Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch my previous vlog. Or most importantly, remember, click down here on that little bell button to get notified whenever I put up a new vlog. Ololua. See you guys tomorrow.